Hello everyone and welcome once again to the Practical English brand. Here in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the difference between a few, and a little. Okay? Keep in mind that a few has a positive meaning, but few has a negative meaning in sentences. And a little, positive meaning, little, negative meaning. And obviously, we use a few and few with countable nouns. What kind of nouns? Countable plural nouns, okay? And a little are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Just to give you a few quick examples, like a few books, a few boys, a few girls, a few, okay? Or few boys or few girls. And a little water, a little milk, a little sugar, or little sugar, okay? Now I will further explain the difference between a few, and a little, okay? Look at the first example. There are a few students present today, for example, so we can start the class. Let's say because of a problem, because of, the crowd outside in the city, many students are absent, or some students are absent. So one of your classmates is telling me, teacher, many students are absent today. Should we still start the class? Okay, because the other students who are not present will lose the points that you will be teaching us, right? So, and now I look at you, I look at the number, and I say, it's okay, yeah, there are a few students, we can start the class. So a few has a positive meaning. We can start the class, okay? There are a few students. But the same thing happens. And someone is telling me that, teacher, most of the students are absent today. Okay? So the students whose houses were located near Atarut are here. But the ones who are coming from faraway places are not here because there's something going on. I mean, the roads were blocked or something like that, right? So now, okay, and I'm looking at you and I see that they're like only among 20 students, there are like only three or four students present, right? So now I think if I teach this lesson to these 4 students, all the rest of 16 students will lose this point, okay? So I want to just cancel the class for today, okay? So now that's the situation, okay? Now I'm telling you we can't start the class because there are few students present. There are few students. So few has a negative meaning. We cannot, okay? Not enough. Few means not enough. A few means enough. You got it? Okay. So a few, we can start the class here because there are a few students present. So the sentence has a positive meaning, okay? And the word a few gives a positive meaning. But we cannot start the class here according to the second sentence. Why? Because there are few students here, okay? You got the point? Okay. And now, let's say you are married. Your wife is telling you, may we go shopping today, for example? To Gulbahar Center or City Center or Zadran Market or Mubarak Center or somewhere, right? Okay, Shahrinao, right? So may we go shopping today? And let's say it's a weekend, okay? So now you use a little and little. In the first sentence, look at the first sentence. Yes, let's go. We have a little money. Yes, we can go shopping. Why? Because we have a little. So a little gives a positive meaning. What kind of meaning? So it means we have enough money. I mean, a little money, but it's enough for, shopping, okay? But look, according to the last sentence, here, the second, no, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. We have little money. We have? No. See, now the sentence is positive. You may say, no, I'm sorry, we don't have enough money. Okay, so if you say we have little money, it means we do not have enough money. So here, little gives a negative meaning. I hope it's clear now. A few, positive meaning. Few, negative meaning. A little, positive meaning. Little, okay? Yes. For example, someone is telling you, would you have conversation with me for a while? No, I'm sorry. I have very little time. I have very little time. Which means I don't have enough time, right? Okay. could you have a discussion with me about this topic, about this issue? Yes, sure, come on. I have a little time. I have a little time. Okay? It means, I have enough time to talk to you, okay? You got it? Yes. So, do you have any questions? Okay, can you use these words in your own sentences now? Maybe? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah? So keep in mind that when you use a few or a little, the meaning is positive. Something could be done, okay? When you use few or little, the meaning is negative. It means you do not have enough amount of something, okay? Got it? If it's few or little, you do not have enough amount of something. But if it's a few or a little, it means you have the enough amount of something. Understood? Yes. Mm-hmm. Anybody? Just a few examples?
There's a lot of water left. There's a little water left in the bottle.
Yeah. There's a little water left in the bottle. I don't have to buy another bottle. Okay. Do you want to buy another bottle of water? No, I don't have to, because there's a little water left in my bottle. Okay. So that's fine. Yep. Mm-hmm.
We can't play the game because there are few
Players.
Players.
We can't play cricket today. We can't play the game today because there are few players here. Few. I mean, the meaning of few is negative. It means not enough. There aren't enough players here in order to play the game. Great example. Okay, this much is enough. Have a great time. Bye-bye.